Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, you are going to study the physical, chemical properties and functions of the carbohydrates. Physical properties of carbohydrates. First, asymmetric carbon atom or chiral center. A carbon atom substituted by four different groups or atom is known as asymmetrical carbon atom. All carbohydrates have one or more asymmetrical carbon atoms except dihydroxyacetone. Let us take the example of glucose. Glucose is a hexose sugar which are having four asymmetric carbon atom or chiral centers. Second physical property of carbohydrate is the isomers. Two compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula are known as isomers. The number of isomers can be calculated from the number of chiral centers. The general formula is 2 raised to n. Triose sugar having only one asymmetric carbon atom, that is n is equal to 1. So 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 isomers are possible for triose. One is dextrorotatory and one is levorotatory. Tetrose sugar having two asymmetric carbon atom, that is n is equal to 2. So 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. So 4 isomers are possible for tetrose sugar. Thus pentose sugar having 3 asymmetrical carbon atom, that is n is equal to 3. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So 8 isomers are possible for pentose sugar. Hexose sugar having 4 asymmetrical carbon atom, that is n is equal to 4. So 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16 isomers are possible for hexose sugar. So glucose is a hexose sugar, so it has 4 asymmetrical carbon atoms. So glucose has 16 isomers. Ring center of carbohydrates. Aldehyde group on first carbon atom of sugar can react with the alcoholic group on fourth carbon atom in pentoses and fourth or fifth carbon atom in hexoses, forming an hemiacetyl. This results in the formation of cyclic ring structure. If the first and the fourth carbon atom are involved in the hemiacetyl formation, then the resultant ring structure is a five-membered ring that resembles another compound known as furan. Hence, the name of the resultant carbohydrate ring structure is furanose ring. If the first and the fifth carbon atom of the same sugar are involved in the hemiacetyl formation, then the resultant ring structure is a five-membered ring that resembles another compound known as pyran. Hence, the name of the resultant carbohydrate ring structure is pyranose ring. Among the carbohydrates, trioses and tetroses do not involve in the ring formation owing to their short length. Pentoses always form the furanose ring structure, whereas hexoses can form both furanose and pyranose ring structure. The following are the ring structure of few monosaccharides. Let us discuss about the chemical property of carbohydrates. Osage zone formation. Osage zone are the carbohydrate derivatives when sugars are reacted with an excess of phenylhydrazine to form glucosage zone. Benedict test. Reducing sugar when heated in presence of an alkali gets converted to powerful reducing species known as enediols. When Benedict reagent solution and reducing sugar are heated together, the solution changes its color to orange red or brick red. Oxidation. Monosaccharides are reducing sugar. If their carbonyl groups oxidize to give carboxylic acids, in Benedict test, D-glucose is oxidized to D-gluconic acid, thus glucose is considered as reducing sugar. Reduction to alcohols. The C double bond O group in open chain form of carbohydrates can be reduced to alcohol by sodium borohydride or catalytic hydrogenation. The products are known as alditols. Functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most abundant dietary source of energy. From 1 gram of carbohydrate, we can get 4 kilocalories of energy for all living beings. Carbohydrates serves as energy stores, fuels, and metabolic intermediates. It is stored as glycogen in animal and starch in plants. Stored carbohydrates act as an energy source instead of protein. They form structural and protective components in the cell wall of plants in the form of cellulose and in animals in the form of chitin, and in microorganism and bacteria is in the form of peptidoglycan or murin. Carbohydrates play important role in the formation of structural framework of RNA and DNA. They are linked to many proteins and lipids. Carbohydrates are intermediates in the biosynthesis of fats and proteins. Carbohydrates aid in the regulation of nerve tissue and is the energy source for the brain. Carbohydrates get associated with lipids and proteins to form surface antigens, receptor molecules, vitamins and antibiotics. In animals, they are an important constituent of connective tissue. They are also help in the modulation of immune system. Carbohydrates, they are rich in fiber content which helps to prevent constipation. So this is all about physical chemical properties of carbohydrates and functions of carbohydrates.